everyone, welcome to lectures by Aparna. Today we will discuss a question from two-port networks. I'll read the question. Find Z parameters for the network shown. So this is the network, we have to find the Z parameters. The equation for Z parameters is given as V1 is equal to Z11 I1 plus Z12 I2. Let this be equation 1. And V2 is equal to Z21 I1 plus Z22 I2. Let this be equation 2. So Z11, Z12, Z21, Z22 are the Z parameters. When you put I2 equal to 0 in equation 1, you will get V1 is equal to Z11 I1. If you put I2 equal to 0 in equation 1. So this can be written as V1 by I1 when I2 is equal to 0. That will be equal to Z11. So if you find V1 by I1 when I2 equal to 0, you will get Z11. And when you put I2 equal to 0 in equation 2, it will become V2 is equal to Z21 I1 or V2 by I1 when I2 equal to 0 will give Z21. So if you find these two, you will be able to get Z11 and Z21. So let's draw the circuit with I2 equal to 0. So this is the circuit we get if we put I2 equal to 0. I2 equal to 0 means we are open circuiting this portion. So we don't have to consider this portion and the circuit can be redrawn like this. So now we have to find Z11. Z11 is equal to V1 by I1. So we have to find the effective impedance by looking from this side. So that will be equal to Z11 is equal to V1 by I1 is equal to this 2 ohm and this 1 plus 2. It will make 3 ohm. So 2 ohm is in parallel with 3 ohm. And this whole thing will be in series with this 1 ohm. So plus 1. This will give 1 plus 2 into 3 by 2 plus 3. This is equal to 1 plus 6 by 5. That will be equal to 11 by 5. So this is Z11. Now we have to find Z21. So for that I am considering a current I dash. So I dash is equal to using current division rule. So the total current is I1. Total current I1 into resistance in the other branch, that is 2 ohm, divided by this 2 ohm plus here 3 ohm. So plus 3. That will be equal to 2 I1 by 5. This is equal to I dash. Now V2 is equal to this I dash. I dash is the current passing through this 2 ohm. So V2 is equal to I dash into 2 ohm. So V2 by I dash is 2 ohm. If you substitute for value of I dash, this value, we will get V2 divided by 2 I1 by 5. So this 5 will come in the numerator. That is equal to 2. So if you simplify this, we will get V2 by I1 is equal to 2 into 2 by 5, or that is equal to 4 by 5. So you will get Z21 is equal to 4 by 5. Z21 is V2 by I1 when I2 is equal to 0. This is the case when I2 is equal to 0. When I2 is equal to 0, you have to find V2 by I1. So you got it as Z21 is equal to 4 by 5. Now we have to find the other two Z parameters. So for that we have to put I1 equal to 0 in the equation 1 and equation 2. So let's see how that will become. Now put I1 equal to 0 in equation 1. We will get V1 is equal to Z12 I2. Therefore, V1 by I2 when I1 equal to 0 is equal to Z12. And when we put I1 equal to 0 in equation 2, we will get V2 by I2 when I1 equal to 0 is equal to Z22. So we have to draw the circuit with I1 equal to 0 and then find V2 by I2 and V1 by I2 to get the other two Z parameters. So the circuit with I1 equal to 0 will be like this. I1 equal to 0 means that we are open circuiting this portion. So we don't have to consider this portion. So the circuit will be like this. This 2 ohm will be there. This 1 ohm will be there. This 2 ohm will be there. This 1 ohm need not be considered. So from this we have to find the value of Z22. Z22 is equal to V2 by I2 when I1 is equal to 0. This is the circuit for I1 equal to 0. So you have to find the effective impedance looking from this side. It will be equal to this 3 ohm parallel to this 2 ohm. So 2 into 3 by 2 plus 3, that is equal to 6 by 5. So this is the value of Z22. Now we have to find Z12. For that I am considering a current here, that is I double dash. So again I double dash is equal to total current I2 into, I am using current division rule here, total current I2 into the resistance of the other branch, that is 2 ohm, divided by this 2 plus this 3. So it will be 2 I2 divided by 5 ohm, which is equal to I double dash. Now V1 is equal to, the current passing through this is I double dash. So I double dash into 2 ohm. So V1 by I double dash is equal to 2 ohm, or if you put 2I2 by 5 in the place of I double dash, so that will be V1 by 2I2 into 5 is equal to 2. Simplifying this, you will get V1 by I2 is equal to 2 into 2 by 5, that is 4 by 5. This is the value of Z12. So you got Z22 and Z12 also. So now you can write the Z parameter matrix like this. Z is equal to Z11, Z12, Z21, Z22, which is equal to, we have to substitute the values that we got. So that is equal to 11 by 5, Z11 is 11 by 5, Z12 is 4 by 5, Z21 is 4 by 5 and Z22 is 6 by 5. So this is the Z parameters of the network given. This video has helped you. Please do subscribe to my channel and also don't forget to like and share this video. Thank you.